All right, so for this, we're gonna do 6 cloves of garlic, olive oil, and salt. Then we need some tin foil and a pan. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and what we're gonna do is cut off the heads of your garlic. So we're gonna be roasting these in the tin foil. And you just cut off all the heads. Paper is fine from the garlic, don't worry about it. And then what we're gonna do with that is we're actually gonna drizzle the olive oil on top of the garlic and then put a little salt on there. It's gonna soak some of that moisture out. When we roast it, cooking it down, reducing moisture, and the garlic's actually gonna get kind of sweet. It is delicious. So here we go. Put some oil on. Put a little salt on. Make sure you get each head of garlic. It all needs salt. And all you're gonna do is just wrap this puppy. You wanna wrap it nice and tight, kind of pinch the top like that, roll it over so it can kind of steam and roast in there. It is gonna be delicious. It's actually really good plain. So I got gloves. This stuff is hot. You're gonna see me recoil because yowza. Now, with 250 grams of butter, it's room temp, so we can just flatten it out. We're gonna be mixing these ingredients into it. We're gonna add 1 gram of grated garlic, 10 grams of Italian parsley, another 10 grams of lemon juice, delicious by the way, holy cow, and then 6 grams of salt. You can use kosher, you can use table, it doesn't matter. Just put salt in there. It's going to be delicious. Mix it all together. Make sure that you're getting some nice even distribution. Kind of look at the parsley to find out where. Now we're going to do this garlic puree, okay? Just squeeze from the bottom and they just kind of pop out. Even if there's paper in there, don't worry so much. There's enough moisture. It'll be just fine. I have this awesome little coffee grinder that's actually my herb grinder. I decided to use for this and it worked perfectly. So if you have a little food processor, great. If not, just take put it in a little Ziploc, take a mallet and thwack. It'll work out just fine. Mine only takes 3 pushes down on and then it's done. So maybe consider that. So there's that garlic puree. Now you can use this for anything. It's quite sweet, really delicious with a little bit of a bitterness to it. So I like having this on hand because it's just delicious. Now, we're gonna put about 8 grams, or it's 2 garlic bulbs worth, into this butter. See, I remove it a little bit because, might have jumped the gun there a bit. Don't mix on top of your scale. Bad idea, you'll kill your scale and then you have to buy a new one, and that's just awful. And then just press down into the corners, make sure that you're cleaning the sides, and boom, you got roasted garlic compound butter. It's got lemon in it, it's delicious. I use it for steaks, salmon, shrimp, chicken. I mean, I might even use it for cereal. This stuff is just delicious. So to wrap it up, you're just gonna place the plastic to the edge of the butter, roll a little bit onto it, and like a Tootsie Roll. You have garlic compound butter for anything, like maybe shrimp scampi next week.